You see this kind of love that will let me be willing to be walked all over by a man? I reject it. I reject that.
Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. See, I'm not even in the mood to do my intro because I am coming with vexation. Like, you guys already saw in the title, so you know. Anybody who knows this couple would understand why it's very frustrating to hear this news. Like, you guys, I want to fight. When I heard this news yesterday, a part of me was just hoping that it was not true. But I saw it in so many places that I'm like, okay, it has to be true. I usually don't comment on celebrities' pages, but I went to Two-Face. I had to go to Two-Face Idibia's page to go and see for myself the infamous apology that he made. And then I dropped a comment. I never drop comments on celebrities' pages, especially about controversial issues. But I dropped a comment. I was like, guy, you've put this woman through a lot. 8th child, seriously? I took it personally. I wanted to block Two-Face. It's not as if my blocking will make any difference because he doesn't even know that I exist. I'm so invested in their marriage, especially since after watching Young and Famous Africans. I saw Annie, like that was my first time seeing Annie, apart from her doing her acting thing and being Two-Face's wife. I got a taste of the kind of person she is, and I liked Annie. I really like Annie. And I saw the way she is with her husband. I saw how sacrificing and how in love she is with this guy. Like, I remember how he was making promises to her on the show, how he's sorry, how he appreciates her, how this and that, and she was crying like, I never knew you could see, I never knew you understood the depth of sacrifices I made for you. She was crying because she finally felt like he could see. She finally felt appreciated. And then they went ahead to renew their vows on the show. 10 years anniversary, renewing their vows, very beautiful event, celebration of love with their kids. And then the same year, it's coming out that he has impregnated another woman for the 100th time. Okay, let me just say whatever I'm saying in this video is allegedly. Woo. Okay. Let me introduce myself, you guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is Babymama. I'm a beauty content creator and I also do discussions on trending topics and stuff like that. And I do makeup and I do all of that, story time, girl talk, all of that. Please subscribe if this is your first time coming across my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys know that you're the real everything. You know that I love you. Welcome back. Yo, I need to chill.
A few moments later.
Okay, so for those of you who do not know, Two-Face is a very legendary artist, is a singer, very big, massive, successful artist in Nigeria. You know, he's really famous, and his wife is Annie Idibia, and they've been married for 10 years now, since 2012. I actually checked her age online, and I saw different ages. I saw 42, I saw 38, I saw 37. So let's just, that is her age bracket. But the most common one that I saw was 38, like she's clocking 38 this year. So she has been dating this man since she's been 15. So calculate how many years they've been together. And then she has been with this man before he even became a star. She always believed in him. She loved him. She was with him. She was grinding with this guy when there was no money. Before all the baby mamas, all the money, all the fame, all the money, and all the babies came. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm a bit passionate. I'm becoming now hardcore in this video. Please just take it like that, guys. That's how I feel about this issue right now. I think at some point they might have broken up in their relationship and then they came back together. I do not know why they broke up. Maybe it was because of his baby mama issues, because Two-Face actually has a lot of kids. I'm saying a lot because this is baby number 8 I'm reporting about right now. Two-Face knew Annie before he met all of these other women that he impregnated, okay? So he had 5 kids on Annie. He had 5 kids with 2 different women. There's one, Pero. Pero had 3 kids for him. Then there's another woman that had 2 kids for him before he eventually now married Annie. And then she now has 2 kids for him. And now it is coming out that it started out as a rumor, but from the media houses that I've heard about it from, it very likely is going to be true. So this is alleged. If there's confirmation, you guys will definitely hear about it. So now it is coming out that there's another baby on the way. There's baby number 8 on the way by a supposed banker I don't know why that is the only information that came out about the woman, her profession. Anyway, she's a banker. That's what they say. And then there's another baby on the way. We don't know how far gone the pregnancy is. We don't know any other thing for now. This is what we know. And it's everywhere. So I believe like, okay, it probably, very likely is true. And I am angry. I want to fight. To face. Okay, so people started speculating after some days ago, I think 3 days ago now, he dropped an apology on Instagram, a very public apology. Let me read it out for you guys. So I'm actually on Two Faces official Instagram page, official Two Baba. He's also known as Two Baba. So now he dropped this apology 3 days ago today. He said, last, this is no stunt. I'm sorry for all the embarrassment I've caused my wife, my kids, my mother, all our families, and my management team. Which management team? Management team, they're just there for the body, forget. They don't care if you screw your life over. Just do the music and bring in money for them, whatever. Anyway, I'm not looking for no sympathy. I'm not trying to make myself look good. You can't make yourself look good after this. There's no looking good. There's no coming back from this because you've been doing this, like you keep doing it. I don't understand. I'm sorry, I'm so passionate about this issue. This is no reverse psychology bullshit. I simply just don't want to be the one that always apologizes. I've been a shitty father and a shitty, there's some words you can't really use freely on YouTube. I've been a shitty father and a shitty husband and a shitty baby daddy. I have no excuses. I just want to do right by my wife, my kids, and their moms. And my mom and all families and my manager and friends. I beg y'all to please just face me and cancel me anyhow. I've been a star for so long that my bulletproof vest is worn out. Oh, please. The bullets that have come at you are those that you stood in the way and let people fire you. Like, I feel like they're of your own doing. See, not to get me wrong, he's not the only artist that has baby mamas up here and there. But I think what hurts people the most is the story of him and Annie. The particular woman that he's hurting is what makes it worse. See, it would have been better, Two-Face, that you were just a polygamist. It would have been better. Okay, let me continue. I'm not quitting or suicidal or giving up. I just want to go back to my default settings and denounce my role model status. Well, you're a role model as per the achievement side, the music side, the superstar side. But if it comes to like personal life, well, I hear he's a nice person and he's humble. But when it comes to keeping it zipped up, no, you're not a role model. I'm sorry. You're not. Okay. I just want to go back to my default settings and denounce my role model status and make up lost time with my kids. The comments under this post were actually really supportive because then like, the news hadn't broken out that, you know, that there's a baby on the way. People were like, we love you. Nobody's above mistakes. People were supportive, actually. Nobody's above mistakes. Just try and make up for your mistakes, make up for lost time, show love to your family. We appreciate you. Comments like that. Then some people, especially women, were like, this one you're apologizing. Have you done it again? Comments like that are legit here. Like, people are like, this one you're apologizing. It seems you have done it again. It seems something is wrong. What have you done? Like, imagine how your reputation can be, how bad your reputation can be in terms of that the moment you do something like this, people are already speculating, like, okay, he has done something. Actually, men always take to, you know, public apologies and all of that when they want to, like, corner you into having no choice but to forgive them. That's the way I feel. I feel like it's a manipulation technique. It's a manipulation technique for you to put it out there. Let's be like, I apologize. If you know what forgive, now she sabi. After all, I owned up. It's not about owning up. How about you just not doing that stuff in the beginning that makes you have to come out and give a whole public apology? Should we try that sometime? Oh, God. And then the next post after that, I think on the same day, because it's also 3 days ago, says, forever grateful to you, Annie Idibia. I love you till I die. Your kind is rare. Of course, our kind is rare, and thank God, because I don't think we should have people this forgiving walking around. I don't even know if I'll call it forgiving or if I would just call it emotionally. Maybe she's not strong enough to make the tough decisions, because in my opinion, staying in that situation where you're constantly cheated on and disrespected, especially in the public eye, I don't think it's a sign of strength. In my opinion, I feel like it takes a stronger person, or it even makes you stronger being able to walk away from something like that, because it's hard. It's hard staying, it's harder walking away. So now on Twitter, Music Based Africa actually tweeted, this was the news source that I read it from, that I was like, okay, it probably is true. They said, report says Nigerian artist and father of 7 children, 2 by Annie and 5 by the other baby mamas, has gotten a banker pregnant. Reason why he recently tendered a public apology to his wife. This will be the 6th child Baba is having outside his marriage. His wife, Annie, should be going through a lot. Of course, Annie is going through a lot. Somebody please check on Annie. Somebody please check on Annie. Annie, oh my God. I just remember, like, the picture of Annie crying on Rich and Famous Africans, where she was talking about her husband and his baby mamas and all of that. It's etched in my brain. Like, I can never forget the look on her face. I can't forget that tears. The sadness, the pain, the hurt, it's there. I cannot let it go. So that's what I'm imagining. Like, Annie is going through a lot. Somebody check on Annie. Whew. And yes, she replied to his public apology on Instagram. She said, "It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'll be home soon. LYTID, love you till I die." That's the hashtag. And a day more. So she's like, it's okay. It's okay. I feel like for him to be doing this online, she already knows about it. So the comment probably is her saying it's okay, like she has forgiven him. Hey, God. Aside her putting that comment under his apology, she posted on her page 2 days ago. So that means this is the next day after his apology, right? She posted a video of both of them together, smiley, smiley, happy, happy, really cute video. And then she wrote, favorite line, "Can't you see the flames I burn daily for you? Music, Can't Live Without You" by Official Baba. She see they promote the music on top of everything though. Then she used the hashtag love you till I die, LYTID, and a day more. Put the smiley love emoji, and she wrote, "Our love isn't for everybody." When they hear our love is not, she's telling you guys that their love is their business, so you guys should stay out of their love. She said, "Our love isn't for everybody. They don't need to understand it. It's on us and us alone. Hashtag I choose us." And here I am wanting to fight.
One eternity later.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Like, people will treat you how you allow them to treat you. Obviously, she has allowed this for her to have actually gone ahead and married him when he already had the 5 kids while he was dating her. It already shows that she condoned it. I feel like their marriage would have been a situation of, hoping for the best but expecting the worst. So she must have had it at the back of her mind that this is the kind of person she married. Maybe when she was taking her for better for worse marriage vows, this was the worst that she knew would happen, and she had already come to terms with it. Who are we? We cannot be more outraged than the person who is going through it and who has allowed it to happen. As far as I'm concerned, Annie is a victim, but she's also an enabler. At this point, I don't think you're a victim anymore, because it has happened over and over again, and you have continued to stay there. You have continued to endorse it. You have decided that he's your man and you're going to stick beside him. What can we do? The online in-laws. Hey. Okay, so this just makes me wonder, like, she's the one he married out of all the baby mamas, right? Even the one that had 3 kids for him, he didn't marry that one. He married her. So it just makes me wonder, is it really an achievement that she's the one that he married? Did she win? Like, people will be like, she's the one that won. She's the one that's bearing the name. She's the one that is the missus. She's the one that he chose to build the family with. But did you really win? Really? Did you win? Because those other people have been free to move on with their lives and probably find someone else who will treat them well. But you're stuck with a man that disregards your emotions and your public status and disregards the love and the grind and the sacrifices you've made and continues to disrespect you. It's not even just the cheating that actually makes me crazy. Because if we were to analyze, cheating is, unfortunately, is a very popular thing. A lot of people are doing it, married, single, yes. So it's not the cheating that makes me, oh, yes, it's bad, I'm not condoning it, but it's not the cheating that actually makes me feel like this passionate about it. It's the fact that you're doing it without protection. So I'm just imagining how many STIs this woman might have treated. Then not talk about the emotional trauma, because you're impregnating these people, so you don't even see. Yes, you might love her. She loves you, obviously. You might love her, because at this point, I don't even know if you love her, Two-Face. You might love her, but I really feel like respect is as equal as love in a relationship, because if you respect me, you will not drag my name through the mud. And Annie Idibia is always in the news about, you know, one clash with one of the baby mamas or this or that. That lady has been through a lot. Somebody check on Annie. Let's look at it from Annie's point of view. She's known him since she's been 15. There's just something about first loves and all that. And I know it's hard to walk away. You probably want to stay so that your children, so that your marriage is together, you know, for the sake of the children and stuff like that. But the truth is, she actually has 2 daughters by Two-Face. What example are you living for these girls? Because them seeing you going through all of this is showing them that it's okay. That, you know, you have to stay with your man no matter what. You're actually teaching these children something by your actions. So you really need to sit and evaluate, what is it, like, what is best for you at this point. If you leave, as much as society likes to blame women and all of that, I don't think anybody's going to blame me at this point. I'm not going to say you should leave, it's not my place, but you really need to evaluate what is best for you, what is best for your kids, your health, mental health, and your physical health as well, because obviously it's exposing you to a lot of things. Then spiritual health as well, because believe me, a lot of these women that are outside and you're the one inside, in my opinion, some may not be happy about it. I don't know. See, you guys, let me just end this video here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.